In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new folder for your sales HubSpot. If you're ready to get organized and boost your productivity, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can easily follow along and implement this in your own HubSpot environment. To kick things off, we start by heading over to the user guide for HubSpot. This is your go-to resource for navigating the platform effectively. Once you've opened that up, you'll find yourself in a world of opportunities where you can manage all the ins and outs of your sales process. Now, the first thing you want to do once you're in the user guide is to locate the sales section. This section is crucial because it houses all the tools you need to manage your sales operations seamlessly. So go ahead and click on Sales to access your sales functionalities. From there, we're going to move on to Documents. The Documents section is where you can find and store all your essential sales files. By organizing your documents here, you minimize clutter and make retrieving files in the future an absolute breeze. Click on the Documents tab and we're ready for the next step. Now that we're in the Documents section, it's time to create your new folder. You'll see an option labeled New Folder. Clicking this initiates the creation of a space where you can store documents specific to a project, client, or any category of your choice. This organized system of folders keeps everything tidy and easily accessible, so go ahead and select New Folder. The next step is naming your new folder. This is straightforward and is your opportunity to customize the folder title to something intuitive. Think about what makes sense for your type of content. Once you've got a name in mind, move on to the Create Folder option. Clicking this will finalize the creation process, and voila! You now have a shiny new folder ready to be filled with your relevant documents. Each of these steps, though simple, offer great benefits and add significant convenience to your sales operations. With your new folder, you can ensure that documents are not just floating around, but are instead carefully organized for quick access. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've learned how to create a new folder within your sales HubSpot, enhancing both organization and workflow efficiency. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful for managing your documents better within HubSpot. Be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tips. Happy organizing!